what you could buy from Amazon. $23 box of 250 assorted pens. Nice plastic. I think they'll fly pretty good into Moses' head.
On this Maserati, currently doing a wheel alignment on this car right now, as you guys can see, and we should be good to go later.
Alright, so we got a Rolls-Royce Dawn here. Thankfully, it's going to be a little bit of a different style for us. The whole front of the hood, the grille, the pillar is going to be all in this matte red to match that beautiful red interior. We're also doing a satin blackout on the rest of the car with gloss black powder coated stock wheels. We're going to be lowering it on the stock wheels. We're going to be adding our signature spacers on there. So we're going to make it set up really nice looking on stock wheels. With the blackout on the red, it's going to be very different. So stay tuned to see how nice this Dawn comes out.
Ow. We have a G-Wagon here. We're going to do the windshield tint and release it to the customer. About 30 minutes.
I love it, man. You guys do awesome work here.
Ow! Oh. Ah! Oh! Shit! Okay, I'm done. Stop looking. I'm done.
So, a lot of work is involved in this. But now we're safe. No airbags in this car, by the way. Starts good. This car, this customer just bought it. He came and paid us a visit and he couldn't get the car to start. The starter failed on him. So we just replaced the starter for him. We fixed the AC, so now there's cold air blowing on this hot day we need it. We also updated the sound system. It had an old Alpine cassette player that was not working. New Alpine receiver, Bluetooth, CD player. Changed the 4 speakers in the car. Infinity Kappa speakers with the tweeter and the mid bass. So now we got pretty good sound in the car and we're about to take it out for a test drive. Make sure it's running right. We did a lot of mechanical work on this car, so we're gonna make sure it's good. Nobody can say shit when you got that horn. How are you gonna be mad at that horn? Like, if you have road rage and you just do this? I go, oh, sorry, sir. See? Everybody's nice. I feel like this seatbelt is kind of tight. So we're driving this beautiful Ferrari Testarossa. Car's driving really good, actually. We changed a lot of the ignition components on this car. It wasn't starting, so we changed the starter. So it starts really good every time now, no hesitation. Check it out. All right, I'm getting tired of this traffic. Let's go.
Mercedes C63 AMG. It's in here for front brake job, rear brake job. This is the 4th brake job of the day. It's been insane today. Very, very busy Monday. Believe it or not, car comes in around 3, 4 o'clock. And yes, we do have all the parts available. We deal with the most high class vendors around the area. So we have access to anything at any time. And that's what we're doing. So we're gonna finish it up and release it.
Sick.
I made my own beat.
RDB.
Alright, so behind me we got the Aventador Roadster. This was that beautiful color, Grigio Telesto. However, we're wrapping it. I think this color looks badass. It's matte, charcoal gray. It looks amazing. The orange interior, so we're excited to put it back together. We're finishing up the bumper wraps right now. We're gonna put everything back together, test drive and make sure it's good, and release to the customer.
So we have a Rolls-Royce here in today for a brand new tire. As you guys can see, the tire is completely gone. So we're gonna replace it, put a new one. Quick tire change, in and out. Time to work. Okay. Good job. Thank you. Job well done. Getting through all these cars pretty quick. So this one's done too. Rolls-Royce is a wrap. Taking the car back outside, releasing it to the customer.
Alright, so you guys saw the Aventador finished up in that satin charcoal color. Now we're doing the matching 4x4 in that color. So on the next episode, check it out. Alright, we just finished up this Dawn. Our awesome client here, all the way from Vegas. This Dawn looks very different than a lot of the ones we've done. It's not a simple blackout, satin blackout with a matte red front hood, full grille, matching interior, lowered on factory wheels with spacers. It looks incredible. Customer's here to take it back, drive it to Vegas. He loves the car, so we're very, very happy. On to the next one.
Looks amazing.
Yeah.
Only RDB.